In this video, I'm going to show how to install VirtualBox. The VirtualBox is Oracle product. It's basically the very small software you can install into your Windows or Linux, Mac OS, and then within the host machine, you can install another operating system in this virtual environment. We are going to use this software to install Linux, so we can working on the Linux and then manage our Linux box. The first step, you can go to Google to type in VirtualBox download, and you will get the first Oracle VMware VirtualBox download page. In here, the current version is the 6th pod, and you can select what is your machine host environment. If you are Windows machine, you can download this one. If you are Mac OS, you can download from here. And if you are another OS, you can select your host. My situation, I'm in the Windows machine, so I can click this Windows host. It's going to take several minutes. It's very small software. You will download it very quickly. After you're done, you can go to your download folder. You see it's going to be here, and then you double click it. This installation message is going to pop up. Make sure you have the system administrative privilege to install a software. Basically, you just select the default settings for click next. Go ahead to OK, done, finished. You will see this interface. Here has the icon. We can create a new machine, add existing one, import, export. OK, next video I'm going to show how to download Linux software, and then we are going to create a Linux machine in this virtual environment. OK, thank you very much. See you next time.